Hey you guys, what's up? So I've been running errands all day long and I just got home to find this package on my front doorstep and we are going to do a huge swatch video. This is the Estate Cosmetics matte lipstick. So if you'd like to see all of these swatched, then just stay tuned. So these are completely cruelty-free and vegan. This first one is called 10. So here is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And we have our lipstick right there. So, so beautiful. So here is 10 completely swatched. Next is the shade Ghosted. Here is the shade Ghosted, fully swatched. Next we have Moody. Here is the shade Moody. Next is the shade Cheeky. And here's the shade Cheeky, fully swatched. Next, we have the shade If You Know, You Know. This is beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. Here is the shade If You Know, You Know. Here we have the shade W. I tend to go for more warmer reds like the last one, but this one is beautiful nonetheless. And here is W, fully swatched. Here we have Rate It. Here is Rate It, fully swatched and minus the red around my lips from rubbing off lipsticks. This is a gorgeous brown shade. And then last but not least, for the matte lipsticks by Estate Cosmetics, we have the shade Sheesh. And here is the shade Sheesh, fully swatched. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Estate Cosmetics for sending me all these matte lipsticks to try. They are so amazing, so buttery, so creamy, and I will definitely be wearing them a whole lot more. Let me know in the comments below which shade was your favorite. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.